just bought your first guitar and you're wondering what exactly do I do next? What exactly is happening here? So in this video, we're going to be looking at the parts of the guitar. We're going to be looking at 2 basic chords and an exercise to get you started. Let's get to work. So the parts of the guitar, we have the head, we have the tuning pegs, these little knobs here, we have the neck, we have the fretboard, we have the fret markers, which are these little dots on the fretboard. We have the body, which is all of this. We have the sound hole, which is the hole right here. We have the bridge, this wooden piece. We have the saddle, this white piece over here. And we have the pins right here. And over here we have the nut, this white piece right here. This is called the nut. And that's the parts of the guitar. So now that we're looking at the strings of the guitar, we have the low E string, we have the A string, we have the D string, we have the G string, we have the B string, and we have the high E string. Now in order to remember this, I want you to think about the words Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. So Eddie, E, ate, A, dynamite, D, goodbye, good, bye, Eddie. So the first chord we're going to be looking at is the E major chord. And what you're going to do is take your middle finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the A string. Next, take your ring finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the D string. Then take your index finger, put it on the 1st fret of the G string. And what you're going to do is play all of the strings. Yeah, and you have to make sure each note is ringing. Now it may sound like this. It may sound like with that buzz. You want it clear with enough pressure on your fingers. So for the E chord, you're actually playing all of the strings downwards. So you're playing the E, A, D, G, B, and high E string all at once. So now for the A minor chord, you're going to take your middle finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the D string, then put your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string. Now it's the exact same shape as the E major chord, just on a different pair of strings. So if I were to take the shape and move it, here's an E major, here's an A minor. The exact same shape, just moving back and forth. And for the A minor, we play from the A string downwards. Now for the right hand on the A minor chord, you're actually playing from the A string, then the D string, G string, the B string, and the high E string. So you're playing from the 5th string, which is the A, downwards. So now we're going to be looking at a right hand exercise. And what we're going to do is take our pick, put it on the low E string, and we're going to go down, up, down, up. Next we're going to switch strings. A string. Next the D string. string, the B string, and the high E string. So now we'll be looking at something called a spider exercise. And what you're going to do is put your index finger on the first fret of the low E string, play it, middle finger on the second fret of the low E string, ring finger on the third fret of the low E string, then you switch strings. So you go to the first fret of the A string, switch, remember to keep your right hand coordinated as you switch the strings. Then we go back down. Take a look at your right hand if you have to. Take it very slow. That's the spider exercise. So now, putting both of our exercises together, the right hand and the left hand, we're going to see what that sounds like. So let's begin. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. There will be a lot more coming. It will be very educational. If I missed anything, feel free to just tell me, leave a comment, just start up a conversation and see what happens. It's all about learning the guitar, learning about, the instrument and having fun. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.